If you're looking for a fast gaming monitor, the MSI MAG 272QP QD-OLED X24 definitely looks tempting. But is it actually worth your money? Or is the hype doing all the work? Let's take a quick look. This monitor comes with a 26.5-inch QD-OLED panel. You get a sharp 2560 by 1440 resolution. And the big selling point is the 240Hz refresh rate. It also claims an insane 0.03 ms response time. On paper, those numbers are seriously impressive. For gaming, the OLED panel is the real star. Colours look rich, blacks are properly deep, and fast movement should look very clean. MSI also includes FreeSync Premium and G-Sync compatibility, so competitive games should feel smooth and responsive. You also get HDR support, a 10-bit colour display, and a 1.5 million-to-1 contrast ratio. Connectivity is pretty good too. There are two HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4a, and even USB-C with 15W power delivery. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The SDR brightness is rated at 200 nits. HDR is listed at 400 nits. So this isn't the brightest OLED monitor around. And like any OLED display, you still need to think about burn-in. The good news is that MSI includes OLED Care 2.0. There's also a 3-year burn-in warranty in supported markets. So, is it a scam? Honestly, no. The MSI MAG 272QP QD-OLED X24 looks like a legitimate high-performance gaming monitor. If you want 1440p OLED and 240Hz without going completely overboard, this one deserves a serious look.